When RVing to Walt Disney World, your first choice might be Disney's Fort Wilderness. But maybe it's full, or you just can't justify the high prices for campsites. Just 7 miles from Disney property is Orlando Southwest KOA, which is a holiday KOA. For comparison, here is the prices for Orlando Southwest for both pull-through and back-in sites. Greeted by a clean contemporary building, the campground offers propane and a dump station. The campground is close to I-4 and US 27. There you'll find everything one needs. Even a Ford dealership and a Chrysler Ram dealership is just down the road. There are also the amenities one would expect, such as a swimming pool and laundry facilities. Camping for a long stay? No problem. You can pick up your mail at the campground. And of course, latecomers are always welcome. Inside, you'll find a store with some RV supplies, a business center, a lunch area with a microwave, and a large meeting room. Not knowing what a KOA holiday park was, I found this on the KOA website. Each KOA holiday features full-service RV sites and KOA deluxe cabins with bathrooms. Take a hike, see the local attractions, or enjoy a campfire. It's your holiday. Before I drive through the park, here's a site map of the campground. On our drive to the campground, we can see the camping cabins up on the left. The campground has around 300 campsites, both pull-through and back-in. Each site offers 30 and 50 amps, and there is wireless internet included. There are 2 restrooms, one in the main building and one in the middle of the campground. Up on the left, we can see the playground, and on the right, more camping cabins. This KOA is in the process of making 6 deluxe tent sites, complete with water and electricity, as well as adding a 9-hole miniature golf course. The campground also has 3 dog parks. We hope you enjoyed this look at a campground alternative to Fort Wilderness, and as always, thank you for watching.